Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean a tower fan. So guys, over the period of time your tower fan may get household dust accumulated like this, and it's very important to clean it nicely. So how can you do? First of all, disconnect it from power. Never do any cleaning operation while it is connected to power source. So now we are going to slowly remove something from here. Okay, we don't have to take the cover out because not that much dirty. So we'll remove these here. Okay, this looks like lint that you see in your dryer, but it's actually household. Then we'll use a vacuum cleaner too. So I'm gonna start. While there's no hard and fast rule what you can do to do initial cleaning, I'm just using this small screwdriver. You see, even while using this I can bring out a lot of uh, dust out. Okay, so I'm going to do this all. I don't want to hold you, and then I'm going to see you in the next stage. So now after I have removed, you can see the difference already. You may see small residue, but overall it's looking good. Next I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner and I'm going to suck everything that it can be. It's a very powerful vacuum cleaner like Ridgid. So I'm going to start. Guys, after running vacuum, it's okay, it's perfectly looking like. Okay, now if it is too dirty, that I'll cover in a different video where we'll move this and then clean. But for this one it was not required, so that's why I could do it easily. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.